whole reason for this whole trip. Let's go to Blockbuster.
We've got some N64 games to rent.
Never returning. Yeah, never returning.
Yeah, I want to rack up the biggest bill. Filling up that nice non-ethanol premium. Going by Thurin was pretty sick. I just didn't want to film because there was a lot of prototype stuff in there, and they were being cool letting us in. What?
Top secret.
Yeah, all top secret. Place is freaking nice though. Just aired down. You get some high speed coming through here now. All right, so this trail is not part of the BDR. Honestly, the BDR has been pretty boring, but it's cool. Don't say boring, just uneventful until we got stuck.
Yeah, no,
but
four-wheel drive not needed.
We also have not done the original part of the BDR yet. But I made my own about 100-mile section from Bend, Oregon down to section 2, I believe. And we're going over Paulina Peak, which is one of the volcanoes out here. See if we can actually camp up there. Park wherever. We see each other. Figured I'm not taking Ellie on this shot.
Morning. Do some hash browns. Getting the spuds rehydrated. I'm gonna try poaching some eggs. Pat's over here getting bacon ready. I'm the camp chef. Got clean from last night. We had a little too much fun last night. Reliving our 90s childhood. Went to Blockbuster yesterday. Got to camp. Played some badminton.
Yeah.
Catch. Can jam.
On the street, we had to call a car.
Yeah.
Calling car. One point catch in the middle of the street. Mm-hmm. You did as a kid. Car.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Only happened like once.
Good old days, yeah.
So, yeah, found this campsite around the lake. It's a little busy. Must have been a good opener for fishing or something. A lot of people here with boats. A lot of people early in the morning getting their boats down to the ramp. But other than that, it's a decent campsite. Only took 2 campsites to fit all the trucks, but it's kind of nice to have a kiosk here. You can pay by card. So, yeah, check you later.
Yeah, they'll eventually get up to this.
I'm not mad
I'm disappointed.
That's worse.
Is that a little heavier than the lava rock?
A little bit.
Dude,
It's like cutting in my hand right there.
yeah, it's sharp as hell.
I'll say it. Does anybody know what time it is? It's Miller time.
A little entrance.
Yeah, I just did.
Well, still, we got another one to explore after this. Look at this cave. Oh, we found it.
Yeah, my turn. I'll say, I'll split it, and then you turn around. Can you do a little more?
Whoa. Did you just drop from the heavens?
Oh my god. Get back in that light, Brett. Sent to enjoy Miller time.
You gonna pick those
That
up
wasn't
though?
all of it. As much as I could go.
Jesus. This cave's insane. It's not one of the regulated ones either. Did we just make it all the way through that to the other side?
At camp. What was this one called? Something blowout? The blowouts. The blowouts. Lava falling out from the ground.
No means no.
What's the secret ingredient over there in the little container?
Metamucil.
Cutting up the onions. We're gonna let them sweat and caramelize.
5 minutes.
Yeah, we'll check in when we come back. It works. That's right. Let's do some soy sake bombs. Genki 300 from Japan. Solid, no moving parts, sharp. Obviously, a puncher would have been better for these, for beef broth, but we don't have a puncher, so we're just gonna leaf cut. There we go.
All right, here we go.
Beef broth.
More evidence. That's $6.
You want an extra piece?
No, I'm not gonna do it. That should be still in there.
Final product.
Oh yeah. Hey Papa, do you think you could go turn on?
Perfect. No. Let's do that. Let's throw it on the side there.
You getting this?
Yeah, probably.
There it is. French onion soup.
Camping.
Whoa.
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 My hands are here.
Yeah. It's pretty sweet. It's windy as fuck.
All right, I'm coming.
It's like one of those buildings they built in like New York that's like made to sway with the wind.
Yeah. This is erected for that.
Like that, but not built by people.
It was built by giants and aliens. Well, yeah, because that's our fucking job. Oh. Not bad. I just said it's going to turn left a little. Tighter trail.
That's old. That's an old fire lookout. Damn.
Yeah. Jump up real hard on each step, right? All right.
Okay.
Woo!
We just gotta do it one at a time.
We good.
One at a time,
Yeah,
people.
that thing's pretty stable.
Yeah. What else can you see up here?
Probably way more than people that expected to come up here. So.
Probably. You think the GoPro will survive the fall?
My hands too cold. No.
You don't think so?
I don't think so.
Yeah, it was worth it.
Yeah, that hill coming up is like, that was kind of needed.
A 10-degree side hill here.
Yeah, I was going to ask you to see what it says because I felt like I was leaning hardcore.
Yeah, 10 has been the most and about 8 on the downgrade.